Hello, hello again, everyone. Thank you for tuning in here. Uh, Today, I got my hands on some of the what Rick and Morty Special Edition Pickle Rick flavored potato chips and Pringles. I don't know if this is supposed to be just like a dill pickle, regular flavor, but they're saying Pickle Rick. That's what my guess is, but I don't know if I've ever had the dill pickle or pickled flavored Pringles anyway. I've had other pickle flavored stuff, but and other brands of chips, but not Pringles. Oh, that is strong. That is very strong. Oh God, it's like, oh my God, if you just took a jar full of pickle juice, that's it. It smells so strong. I've done that before. I've just drank straight pickle juice. I know that's a weird thing to say, but sometimes when you're younger and in college, it tasted fine to me. Wow. Okay. Man, it's so potent. That's crunch. That was almost like wasabi, because it was just pickle and it's gone. It was weird. It was just like a sudden burst of pickle, and then it very quickly faded away, and it just tasted plain potato chip. Yeah. I taste it. It's pretty strong at first, and then it's just gone. Okay. Okay. So, I don't know what to say. Smells incredibly strong. Very, very pungent smell when you smell the can. It's kind of it's a definitely smell it on just smelling a single chip, but tasting it, there's not much. You taste it very briefly. It's there, and then it very quickly fades away. Huh. So I don't know. I don't mind pickle flavored stuff, but this, it's pretty meh. I'd probably say 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 for these. I don't know if you can still get these in stores normally, if they've already taken them out. I don't think I got this. I can get this too long ago, but yeah. I mean, I like some pickle flavored things, but not too much. And this might sound horrible to some people, but I really like sweet pickles more than dill pickles. Sometimes you get a hankering for like a dill pickle, sure, but I'd much rather just devour an entire jar of sweet pickles. But these taste alright. Just, yeah, I don't know, I don't get why the flavor is so brief, but they smell so strong. So once again, 5 out of 10. Nothing too great, not special. Yeah, if you guys have had these, what do you think? Do you guys like pickle flavored stuff? Do you guys like bread and butter pickles? Do you like the spicy pickles, dill, or sweet? So, pretty short. Till next time, Enjoy your food.